Today we're stitching 2 layers of upholstery material plus a thin layer of cardboard in the middle. I'm using 2 feet on the treadle, one forward side and one on the back side. This is an easy, comfortable, slow pace. You can't go infinitely slow or you'll end up like stalling out. I got it going again. Sometimes it stops and I gotta, like here, it stops and I gotta pull the hand wheel. But if I keep it going a little faster, then I can keep it rolling. This is more of a medium speed. And I'll show you how fast I can make it go. Gotta think there for a second. It's kind of like trying to ride a tricycle as fast as you can.